The County Durham company has announced a £60 million investment, which will lead to at least 70 new jobs at its site in Sedgefield. PragmatIC, which makes tiny, smart electronic devices, plans to double in size within the next year. Our political editor Richard Moss was given exclusive access to the pioneering technology that's creating jobs, but which could also change lives.
It might not look that remarkable, but what PragmatIC produces in Sedgefield is revolutionary, because although its products look pretty flimsy, they're also pretty smart. This is a sheet of the circuits that are produced here, and as you can see, they're so flexible because they're thinner than a human hair. One of them is sat on my finger, and it costs less than a penny to produce, but the information it can give to businesses or consumers is priceless. That's because they can be connected to the web and upload and pass on information. For manufacturers, it allows them to track every individual product. But a simple tap on one with a mobile phone also offers benefits for customers and the planet.
You could just tap it and it automatically takes you to a website giving you nutritional information. They could be given recipes, for example, for an item of food they've just bought, giving information about exactly what it is, where it can be recycled, which box you need to put it in if you can recycle it home, or if you're out and about, where's the best place to dispose of it.
But there's also potential in healthcare. The technology can embed the same computing power you'd usually find in bulkier electronic devices into wearable patches. Patches which cost pennies, but could save lives.
With our technology, potentially you could have a patch that you go buy from your local chemist that detects certain things in a wound to determine whether it's healing properly without having to take the plaster or bandage off and check physically. It can actually have the processing capability to measure something on your body, your heart rate, ECG, sweat rate, whatever it might be, and use that information to then compute something that is useful to detect a condition or to improve your fitness.
It's the huge range of uses for this technology that's driving the expansion of this site. £60 million is going into a second manufacturing line, creating at least 70 new jobs. But as its chips could easily end up on trillions of items, further growth is already planned.
The northeast is the right place for us to expand our manufacturing capability. We're actually in negotiations on a new building that will give us space to actually add another 4 or 5 lines over the next several years as well to continue expanding that capacity.
And that means technology made in County Durham will soon be part of everyday life in products and devices across the world. Richard Moss, BBC Look North in Sedgefield.